How long does a foundation inspection actually take? Welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer foundation repair questions from our customers. So today's question is, how long does a foundation inspection actually take?
That is a question I get asked all the time. For me, it typically takes me about an hour to an hour and a half. And there are a couple factors that can either make that longer or shorter. One being the size of the home. If you have a massive one-story home, it's a lot more measuring. My process is typically wander around the outside, measure all the outside, put all that data on an iPad, come inside, measure the interior walls, and then give you your floor elevation measurements. That helps us determine sloping. Now, if your home is raised and has a crawl space, I also have to climb down there and do a lot of measuring and digging and inspecting down there as well. One thing that can really speed up the process is if you respond to my videos, send me text messages, images, anything like that that will give me a clearer picture of what I'm stepping into will help speed up that process. And I know your time is valuable.
Perfect. Yeah, like Garrett said, things that we can do to help speed up that timeline with us being in your house for that inspection. We're going to take those steps to do so, like answering the videos, like you said, all the videos, all the questions, all the emails. We're just here to help you to get the answers that you are looking for. So thanks for watching this episode of You Ask,
and We Answer.
Until next time,